You spend a fortune on branded videos, but ask yourself, who is really benefiting from all that traffic? What if your video platform was built to send viewers to your website instead of keeping them for itself? Imagine a space where your brand's message is the only one seen, with no competitor ads stealing attention. This is about full control. A brand environment that's consistent from the player color right down to the URL. Today, we build the case for Vimeo, demonstrating how to shift from simple hosting to a true content distribution machine. First, your brand identity is protected. You can customize players, showcases, and even use custom domains. Next, you control access completely. Use passwords for internal teams or domain privacy for site-exclusive content. Finally, the viewing quality is superior. Adaptive streaming prevents buffering, and no ads means no interruptions. So you command the entire viewing experience. But how can you prove that it's actually effective? This is where deep analytics provide the answer. See exactly where viewers lose interest and which sources drive views. You've got their attention and measured their engagement, but how do you convert them into leads inside the video? Let's inspect the traffic ownership system. Most platforms use your video to boost their own site's Google rank. Vimeo's schema markup does the opposite. It tells Google your video's primary home is on your website. This is magnified by adding chapters, making you eligible for Google's key moments, which pulls specific video sections into search results. The result? Your video content directly builds your own website's authority, not the platform's. This focus on quality and control also attracts a more professional audience seeking well-produced content. We've covered the mechanics of control and SEO. Now, let's observe how this applies to actual businesses. Vimeo has pivoted into a powerful B2B software tool for corporate communications and secure employee training. A global firm can host internal training with domain restrictions and track completion rates for compliance. For smaller companies, the lack of an ad bidding system levels the playing field. Your quality content can stand alone. And that SEO benefit we mentioned? A B2B company's product demos on their site now directly improve their domain's rank. These are powerful standalone functions, but the true advantage comes from integrating them into your marketing stack. Earlier, we asked about turning viewers into leads. The solution is interactive elements inside the player. Embed CTAs, custom end screens, and even connect email capture forms directly to your HubSpot or MailChimp. This integration also speeds up production, with plugins for Adobe Premiere and Final Cut Pro to simplify uploads. New AI tools for script writing and text-based editing reduce production cycles, letting you produce content faster. For brands wanting maximum control, Vimeo OTT lets you build a private, branded streaming service for your audience. We've seen control, SEO, and integration. How do these pieces connect into one cohesive business strategy? The seamless brand experience builds trust. That trust increases engagement with the interactive CTAs, generating real leads. The traffic ownership from SEO sends qualified people to your site. Marketing integrations then capture and nurture them. This changes Vimeo from a video player into the core of an owned distribution system that builds your business. And Vimeo OTT is the final expression of this ownership, a private channel where you control content, data, and revenue. So using Vimeo isn't just another option. It's a deliberate choice for brand integrity and traffic ownership. We began by asking where the value from your video goes. With this system, it flows directly back to your brand. Stop building content for another company's platform. Start building a video distribution engine for your own business. Review your current video plan. Are you simply hosting content, or are you strategically distributing it for growth?